Ready to unleash your creative potential? Let's get your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription activated and ready to roll. Step 1. Find the Adobe Creative Cloud application icon on your desktop, or in your Applications folder. Click on it to open the Creative Cloud desktop app. Once the app is open, it might take a short time to load. Just be patient as it initializes. Now, locate the Sign In button. Typically near the top right corner, click it to proceed. Enter the email address or username associated with your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, then enter your password. Now that you're signed in, you will see the app dashboard. From here you can view different applications. You might have already chosen which apps to install. Click on the Install button next to the application you want to download. Adobe automatically downloads your software, so just let it work its magic. Once the installation completes, the Install button will change to Open or Launch Now. You can open your favorite Adobe programs and start creating. That's it. You're all set up.